Hey, welcome back. So we looked at the demo. Now let's understand what is OCR. So OCR is converting any image or document to text, and that's basically what OCR implies. And there are multiple libraries to do it. In Python, tesseract is one library that enables you to do it, and ECOCR is another library that enables to do it. Here I'm just looking at tesseract, and if you want, I'll point you to resources. You can also read through how this is done through ECOCR. And the first thing you need to do is pip install tesseract OCR, pip install tesseract, pip install tesseract, and conda. If you are using anaconda, you have to do this. And on Windows, you can just click on this link here. Let me open that. Yeah, so you have to download this exe. It doesn't matter, you can try both. I'm not sure, or you can look up which bit architecture your Windows machine is. If you go to system settings, you will find this data, and you can download the one that fits you accordingly here. And after that, basically I've also pointed you to the GitHub link here. If you click on this, it takes you to the GitHub issue where people who have had all tesseract issues have listed the solution. This is the most accepted solution for Mac here, and similarly there is one solution for Windows which is widely accepted, and I've tried the Windows one, it worked for me. And similarly there is one for Ubuntu, the solution that's mentioned. So that's basically what you have to do in your action items, and that's what I've just mentioned here. Wait a minute, I think let me go back to this one. Yeah, so basically that covers what we would be doing for here. In the next tutorial, we will actually go ahead and implement the code for this. And thank you for joining.